Hello friends and followers. Well, here's the Drake TR7 flat on its back like a dead rabbit in the yard. Anyway, so I cobbled it back together, had all this stuff out, the driver board and the power amplifier board. What a pain to getting this stuff back in. So the pain part is these transistors can't be grounded, and they have little tiny plastic spacers, and you don't want to put them in too tight and smash them, but you got to get those in correctly, and boy, that was painful. So that's all done. There's another one there. I'm glad I took a high resolution video of this thing because I had the screws kind of mixed up. Not that it matters, but you want to get it back how they had it. Same with that one, little plastic doodad. So I did just simply ohm out the power lead, the plus and minus lead, and there was no short. So I don't think anything is grossly shorted right now. So I guess I'm fairly confident in powering it on. Got these soldered back in here. So yeah, so there's all my little hacks here that I followed what Stefan did in Germany before he died. So I put some leaf on there. I put some via feed-throughs in this thing too, one right there. And I think one in the corner over there. Not that it's gonna matter, but. And then I put his, as in the past videos, I put his back plane into this, which is under this output transformer here. And you can see where the back plane sort of comes up and hits the board there. I think the way he had it. I don't think he commented that that made much of a difference in the 10-meter problem. I think that was a problem more with this board. And this board is not the one he had, so his advice does not apply to this board. This seems like a more advanced board with two transistors, one being, where are you? Right there. One being there. I think this is a more advanced board, but there's the number. I don't know if it is or isn't, but I didn't do anything to this board really. I just put some grounding on it and I changed the diodes from the input. So one of them looked kind of shaky as far as the value compared to the other one. So we'll see if this thing even works at all anymore once I fire it up. So I'm about to fire it up. The power supply is in bad shape because I'm waiting for some parts to fix it, but I think it'll fire up the way it is and see if the radio works. So that's where I'm at. I think I'm about to fire the radio up, the transceiver up, and see what it does. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.